Here we have this 2021 71 plate Lamborghini URUS. Now this vehicle does come with over £30,000 worth of optional extras included. Now some of these optional extras are the 23-inch alloy wheels, which are in superb unscratched, unmarked condition, and you can see the bright green brake calipers just hiding behind. Now some of the optional extras included is the anti-stone chipping film, so the PPF. We also have the black roof rails, part of the full blacked out styling kit on this vehicle. Now we do have the electric panoramic sunroof. We have the embroidered logo in the headrest. We do also have the rear spoiler in high gloss black styling package. So you do get the style pack on this vehicle in the gloss black, matching the wheels and the exterior paintwork. Now we do have a full heated electric ventilated front seats in this vehicle, with also the memory function. We have the privacy glass on the rear with your black window trim. Some more optional extras are the Bang & Olufsen advanced 3D audio system, which is a £5,250 option on this vehicle. You have a power assisted rear tailgate, front and rear parking sensor with 360 cameras. Quad exit exhaust, which really does make this 4-litre V8 engine really come to life, and it does sound absolutely incredible. We have the carbon ceramic brake package on this vehicle, so it does stop on a dime. The vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and is in very good condition. Now after those optional extras, we're going to go into the rear of this vehicle, where we will find the full leather seats with the green stitching, the Lamborghini embroidered up there. We have your ISOFIX pull down armrest. The left hand seat and the right hand seat are also heated. You have your climate control in the rear just there as well, with 12-volt connectivity. We do have the interior carbon package on this vehicle. The Bang & Olufsen speakers, very nice finish on these. Electric windows, your suede, your gloss black, your carbon fibre there as well. Going to the front of the vehicle, and there's a look at the driver's front seat. Now the driver's front seat also has the massage function, as you can see just there, electrically adjustable, and it's full leather with your green accent, and again the Lamborghini embroidered up there. You have your suede headlining, as you can see just there, a very nice addition. The memory seats function on the doors, both driver and passenger have that. Electric windows, electric key to power folding mirrors, carbon fibre, integrated Bang & Olufsen sound system. Jumping inside the car, you have your auto lights just down there. As soon as you get in, you see this lovely full leather steering wheel, carbon fibre all over this vehicle. Foot on the brake, lift up the paddle like you do get in an old fighter jet, and then the vehicle awakens. Now we do have your multifunction steering wheel with paddle shift if you wish to take the car into manual mode. You also have your adaptive cruise control and speed limiter just down there as well. Now we do get your lane keeping assist just there, digital dash with your heads up display just up there. Now you can change what is on the left hand side by going through the buttons just here. As you can see just there, by press view you can change on the right hand side as well. Now as you can see, vehicle is free from any warning lights on the dashboard and has covered just over 8,370 miles. We have your pinstripe in brushed metal and red stitching all over the steering wheel. We have your touchscreens in the centre. The one at the top is for your entertainment and the bottom is your climate control. Press home. I'm going to press the stop start on and off so you can keep this vehicle running. We have your home page where you can find your DAB radio, your Bluetooth phone connectivity, and I'm going to go to satellite navigation. Now it is the haptics, so you press down and you feel a little click just underneath. You have your Bluetooth phone, you do have your Bluetooth audio, and also you do have your USB. We have your DAB radio just there as well, with your knob just down there. Very cool looking knob down there. Pop the car into reverse by pulling back just like so. You have your 360 cameras. So on the left hand side you have your bird's eye view. On the right hand side you have all the other options just there as well. You've got your side views, safe curbing those lovely 20-inch alloy wheels. Top down view, side and front view. And you can have your 3D view where you can also scroll around the vehicle just like so. Now pop it into park just by pressing that. You have your different drive modes just down here. So you do have your Anima, which and you also have your Strada, Sport, Corsa, Sabia, Terra, and also Neve. And it goes back to Strada, which is your normal driving mode. You do have your suspension settings just here as well, where you can have it in smooth, medium, or sportive. And then you have your steering options there as well. As you see just there, smooth, more medium and sportive. When you do put it into the driving modes, it does give you a warning, basically to say be careful, as you can see just there. You do get your different suspension modes there as well. So you have your smooth, medium and sportive. Again, I'm going to put that back in all in smooth. We have your traction control on and off, your hazard lights and also your climate control. And getting down to the climate control screen, where you have your dual zone climate control. As you can see just there, you can turn it up and down, just like so. You have your vented and heated front seats, so they blow cold air, and also you have your heated seats just there. Very cool feature to have. And then same for the passenger, and as you can see, both work exactly how you'd expect them to. Two nice sized cup holders. You have your parking assist just there. You also have your cameras, electric parking brake with auto hold, soft touch leather armrest which moves forward and back to suit your driving position, and also can be also elevated. There's a quick look at the passenger's front seat. Very nice seats indeed. You could quite easily do 200, 300, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Looking up, you have your panoramic sunroof, again with your suede headlining. Two options here, one to close the panoramic sunroof and another to close the blind. So when that roof is closed, I'll close the blind. As you see, it works exactly how you'd expect it to. Press that button and then the blinds will then also close. And I'll show you the process of it closing, so you know it works exactly how you would expect it to. And as you can see, it is doing just that. Now, this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. So HPI Clear comes with a fresh service, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.